This one's for longtime friend of the channel and #1 Good Job supporter, Dinosaur. I made it worse! Yay! And that size works. Damn it, Bobby. You're a bunch of highly intelligent and attractive beings. I'm sure you figured out from that last clip that Dinosaur's trivet is not going to be the conclusion to this video like I was hoping. I wanted to finish her piece.
Phrasing. Shut up!
I wanted to finish her project as part of this video, but that's not going to happen now because her project is destroyed by both the machine and my bipolar disorder. So I was just going to throw my temper tantrum away and thought I'd at least point out that your boy's glue joint held. Let me highlight it for you. That's my glue line, and there's where it broke. So I mean, I may not always know what I'm doing, but sometimes I know what I'm doing. Oh hey, and I can use that to practice the wood burning on, since Dinosaur's piece is gonna have a dinosaur scene burned on the back of it. I need to practice on some maple so I don't scorch the crap. So hey, not for nothing, right? Ah, it makes me so angry, it was almost perfect.
I know, buddy. It'll be okay, though. Sorry about that for the little meltdown there, guys. It happens sometimes. So back at the house, I'm going over a couple different options we had. I knew I still had 2 maple planks that were pretty much ready to go. And I think I settled on this one because I like with the live edge bark up there, the idea of making dark clouds and having a meteor come out, like it's going to hit all the dinosaurs. And then I just gave it a little pat because it's a really cute board, and I wanted it to know that I like it. Now I'm just marking out with pencil and gonna start the arduous sanding process. Please enjoy.
I just want to say that I'm not happy with the final drawing, but it is what it is. It's the best I can do. So we're just going to send it and see what happens. And hopefully it looks better once it's burnt than it does right now. Well, I broke the tip that I used to draw with, And my little dinky soldering irons aren't really powerful enough to shade the way I wanted to, so I guess this is the best it's gonna get. Let that air dry, and then give it a light sandaroonie. Hi, Editing Rick here, though I'm not editing Rick at the moment. I took a break from editing to come down and check on Dinosaur's hot pad to see if it's done accepting mineral oil yet and if I can go ahead and apply the finish. And it looks like it is. It is ready to have finish applied now. Fully seasoned, no longer taking in mineral oil, ready to go. And that makes me happy because it's like the 20th coat I had to put on the damn thing. I keep threatening to buy enough mineral oil to fill a tote. And I think I'm going to, if I ever get enough money saved. Alright, it's been a little over an hour, so now it's time to wipe off the excess so the first coat can cure. So there you go. That's all she wrote. Hopefully you guys can see that good. Don't always do the usual sign-offs on the Jid Job channel like we do on the main channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the process and seeing this from start to finish. Dinosaur, I hope you're enjoying it now. It should be already to you by the time this video comes out. Thank you guys so much for supporting my little channel and my small business. It means a lot to me. Little channels, I guess now. Anyway, thank you. Love you, bye.
Good job, Daddy.
Thank you, baby.